Guardians of the Sea, the vital role of U.S. Navy ships. The U.S. Navy is a powerful force. It protects America. Its ships are vital. They patrol the oceans. They defend our shores. These ships are symbols of strength. They represent American power. From aircraft carriers to submarines, each ship has a role. They carry sailors, they transport equipment, they are involved in missions around the world. They are essential for global security. These ships are complex. They are feats of engineering. They are built to withstand tough conditions. They are designed for combat. They are a testament to American technology. The U.S. Navy invests heavily in its ships. They are expensive to build, they are even more expensive to maintain, but their role is crucial. They protect America's interests at home and abroad. End of an era, when a Navy ship retires. Navy ships have a lifespan. They don't sail forever. Age takes its toll. Technology advances. Eventually, a ship reaches the end of its service. Retirement is a big decision. The Navy considers many factors. Is the ship still effective? Is it too expensive to maintain? Are there newer, better ships available? Once the decision is made, the retirement process begins. The ship is decommissioned. This is a formal ceremony. The ship's flag is lowered for the last time. The crew disembarks. The ship is officially out of service. It's the end of an era. But the journey isn't over yet. The ship faces a new chapter. What happens next depends on several factors. Farewell to service, not to steal scrapping decommissioned ships. Some ships are simply too old, others are too costly to maintain. For these vessels, the next step is scrapping. This is a practical, if unsentimental, solution. The ship is taken to a scrapyard. It's dismantled piece by piece. Metal, wiring, machinery, everything is salvaged. These materials are recycled. They find new life in other industries. Scrapping may seem unceremonious, but it serves an important purpose. It recovers valuable resources. It makes way for newer ships. It's a necessary part of the Navy's life cycle. The USS Enterprise, the world's first nuclear-powered aircraft carrier, met this fate. After decades of service, it was decommissioned in 2012. By 2017, it was fully dismantled. Its steel lives on, a testament to its former glory. Section 4 Living History Museum Ships Preserving Maritime Legacy. Some ships are lucky. They escaped the scrapyard. These are vessels of historical significance. Ships that played important roles in conflicts or represent significant advancements in naval technology. These ships are preserved as museums. They are docked permanently in harbors. They are open to the public. Visitors can walk the decks. They can explore the cabins. They can learn about the ship's history. Museum ships serve as floating classrooms. They educate people about naval history. They honor the service of sailors. They keep the memory of past conflicts alive. The USS Constitution, also known as Old Ironsides, is a prime example. Launched in 1797, it is the world's oldest commissioned naval vessel still afloat. Today, it's a museum ship in Boston, Massachusetts, a symbol of America's early naval power. Section 5. From Warships to Reefs, Creating Underwater Havens. Some ships find a new purpose beneath the waves. These are often older ships, ships that are no longer needed for military use. They are cleaned and prepared for a special mission. These ships are sunk deliberately. They are placed on the ocean floor. Here they become artificial reefs. They provide a habitat for marine life. They create a new ecosystem. This process is called reefing. It has ecological benefits. It creates new diving sites. It takes pressure off natural reefs. It's a win-win for the environment and tourism. The USS Oriskany, a veteran of the Vietnam War, is a prime example. In 2006, it was sunk off the coast of Florida. Today it's the world's largest artificial reef. It teems with marine life, a fitting tribute to the ship's legacy. Section 6. Silent Guardians. The mothballed fleet in reserve. Some ships are not ready for the scrapyard. They are not destined to be museums or reefs. These ships are placed in reserve fleets. They are kept in a state of readiness. These fleets are like giant parking lots for ships. The vessels are maintained in a state of preservation. They are protected from the elements. They are ready to be reactivated if needed. The reserve fleet serves as a strategic asset. It provides a backup in case of emergency. It ensures the Navy has enough ships if needed. It's a vital part of national defense. The James River Reserve Fleet in Virginia is one such example. It houses dozens of decommissioned ships. These vessels stand ready, a silent reminder of the Navy's enduring strength.